Hi, I'm Danny from Startle, and I'm here to talk to you about the World Cup. I'm a DJ, remixer and producer, and I've worked in and around the music industry for around 25 years. And the World Cup is without a doubt one of the biggest dates on the calendar, and the UK public are very passionate about it. You want to be able to create the right build-up to the event with the music. The importance of creating the experience in your building where the atmosphere gets people hyped up before the match begins is everything. With the Startle system, that's very easy to do. Our professionally curated playlists allow you to access these tools to get the most out of the hype and the build-up pre-match. Of course, there are many ways you can do this, but music is without a doubt one of the best ways. And with all our playlists, you can access them at the touch of a button and use them to get ready for the match. Be prepared for every outcome. As we all know, football is unpredictable. And another way to make the most of the World Cup in your venue is to have the best playlist for both celebrating and commiserating, depending on the outcome of the game. If you're a Startle customer, you can schedule music easily in the studio app that will match the vibe of your customers. You can use the instant play function to play the right song for the right outcome. You don't want to be playing upbeat tunes if England's just lost. Equally, it's important not to let the fun stop. Breaks in entertainment could mean that customers go elsewhere, so it's important to prepare the playlist for all post-match outcomes. Extend customer visits with Ultimate DJ. Make the most of that extra trade. When the World Cup is on, why not create an exciting event rather than just a casual visit? Why not use that extra trade to put on an event and plan it and encourage people to stay for those extra drinks? One way of doing this is with the Ultimate DJ system. It's a premium music solution that gives you the experience of a DJ without the hassle and the cost usually associated with it. Transition your venue from a daytime event into a nighttime experience and keep your customers entertained while saving hundreds of pounds and improving your bottom line. Don't lose customers to other establishments if they've been with you for the game. Make sure they want to stay and keep spending. Create a cohesive atmosphere and improve customer retention. A key way to make the most of the World Cup is to make sure you've created a cohesive atmosphere, then you're making the most of your environment. At Startle, we know how important music can be at influencing customer behavior. But it's even more effective if everything works together. Lighting, volume levels, service, screens, etc. Turn the lighting lower as you move into your evening trading period. Give the bass a little boost to give that sense of confidence and a nighttime feel. And if you've got Startle Arena, use our sports promotion service. Remember, you can use entertaining viral content in between the matches, as well as displaying things like next week's games and breaking news. Because the significance of a World Cup might get customers in the door that you've never had before. And if you can provide a football experience better than they'll get at home, you can access increased revenue in the short term as well as regular clientele in the long term. I hope I provided some insight into how you can make the most out of the World Cup in your venue, utilizing the Startle music and technology. Getting it right is a win-win for both you and your customers. And if you want to find out more about Startle, Ultimate DJ, or any of our other services, please do get in touch. This is a huge event with a massive opportunity to gain new customers, to create better events that improve your bottom line and improve your customers' experience within your venue and long-term relationships with them. If you want to know more, get in contact with Startle now. We're definitely here to help.